Today we discuss sample space and event and types of sample space. First, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called as a sample space. Sample space is denoted by letter ohm or S. Outcomes are enclosed in brackets like this curly bracket like set and separated by comma. Next is the types of sample space. There are two types of sample space, discrete sample space and second is the continuous sample space. First is the discrete sample space. A sample space ohm is said to be discrete if it contains finite or countably infinite number of outcomes. So first type is finite sample space and next is the countably infinite. First is the finite sample space. A sample space ohm is said to be finite if it contains finite number of outcomes. For example, in experiment of tossing a coin, the sample space is suppose we toss the coin, we get two sample spaces, head or tail, commonly written as H and T. So, in experiment, a coin is tossing, the sample space we get head and tail, and this is commonly written as ohm is equal to curly bracket H and T. This is a finite sample space. And second is the countably infinite space. A sample space ohm is said to be countably infinite if it contains countably infinite number of outcomes. For example, number of customers who visited to bank. दॅट मीन्स वी डोंट नो द म्हणजे आपल्याला माहीतच नाही नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स हू विजिटेड टू बँक. आपल्याला माहिती का दिवसभरात किती लोक बँकेत येणार आहे, म्हणजे मोजता येणार आहे का नाही. मग ते काय झालं, काउंटेबली इनफायनाईट सॅम्पल स्पेस. देन नेक्स्ट टाईप इज कंटिन्युअस सॅम्पल स्पेस ऑर अनकाउंटेबली इनफायनाईट सॅम्पल स्पेस. Definition: a sample space ohm is said to be continuous if it contains uncountably infinite outcomes. For example, the number of births in a given period in a particular city. वी डोंट नो, म्हणजे आपल्याला माहीतच नाही का एका दिवसाला किती जणांचा म्हणजे जन्म होऊ शकतो. म्हणजे ते काय झालं, अनकाउंटेबली आपण ते हेच करू शकत नाही, मोजूच शकत नाही त्याच्यामुळे. Then next is the event. Event, the subset of a sample space which contains some or all the outcomes of ohm is called as event. For example, the set ohm is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and A is the subset which required even numbers. A is the event which required even number, that is 2, 4 and 6. So A is the subset of ohm. This is called as a event. Diagrammatically, the set ohm contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 numbers, and A is what? The subset of this number. So A is a subset of the set. For example, a coin is tossed 2 times. Write the events for occurrence of exactly single head, occurrence of at least one head, and third is the occurrence of no head. Here we get the sample space for tossing a coin 2 times is the set is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. First point is the occurrence of exactly single head. Occurrence of exactly single head. We get the outcomes is here only one head, here also only one head. So HT and TH. Next is the occurrence of at least one head. Occurrence of at least one head. That is, we have exactly one. That means म्हणजे एक चालेल, एकपेक्षा कमी नको, एकपेक्षा जास्त चालतील पण एकपेक्षा कमी नको. देन वी गेट द आउटकम्स इज HH, HT and TH. Third is the occurrence of no head. ऑकरन्स ऑफ नो हेड म्हणजे याच्यात एक पण हेड नको आहे, एक पण नको, एक आणि नको आणि दोन पण नको. म्हणजे काय, फक्त काय राहील म्हणजे TT, ओनली T अँड T. नेक्स्ट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ इव्हेंट्स. फर्स्ट टाइप, देअर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इव्हेंट्स, म्युच्युअली एक्सक्लुझिव्ह इव्हेंट्स, एक्झॉस्टिव्ह इव्हेंट्स. First is the mutually exclusive events. Then two events A and B defined on sample space OHM are said to be mutually exclusive or disjoint event if there is no common outcome between A and B. That means A intersection B is equal to phi. This set is what? Empty. So for example, sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Event A is odd number 1 3 5. Event B is even number 2 4 6. देन A इंटरसेक्शन B म्हणजे आपल्याला आता ए इव्हेंट काय आहे, ऑड नंबर आहे. बी इव्हेंट काय आहे, इव्हन नंबर आहे. मग ए इंटरसेक्शन बी काय होईल, ह्यात एचं बी सोबत इंटरसेक्शन घ्यायचं. त्याच्यामध्ये कॉमन पॉईंट आहे का कोणी, नाही. म्हणजे ए इंटरसेक्शन बी काय होईल, फाय. म्हणजे हे काय झालं, म्युच्युअली एक्सक्लुझिव्ह इव्हेंट. अँड नेक्स्ट टाईप इज द एक्झॉस्टिव्ह इव्हेंट. Exhaustive event. Two events A and B defined on sample space OHM are said to be exhaustive events when union of these events is a sample space. That is, A union B is equal to whole sample space. So for example, sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. A is the odd number 1 3 5 and B is the even number 2 4 6. Then A union B is equal to what? Then A union B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, which gives whole sample space. Third type is the equally likely events. Two events A and B defined on sample space OHM are said to be equally likely if none of them is expected to occur in the preference to other, or both events have equal chances of occurrence. Next point is the operation of an event. First is the occurrence of at least one of the given event. Then A union B. Occurrence of all of the given events or simultaneously occurrence of the events is the A intersection B. Next is the occurrence of none of the given events is A complement intersection B complement, which is equal to A union B whole complement. Fourth is the relative complementation. Is what? A complement intersection B and A intersection B comp. Next point is the complement of an event. Complement means A complement. Then for example, suppose OHM is equal to A B C D E F and A is equal to A B and E. Then A complement is what? A complement is remaining C D and F. That for in Venn diagram, that is diagrammatic representation. This is the sample space, contains A B C D E F element, and this is the event A, which contain A B E. Then A complement is what? This remaining space is called as A complement. Thank you.